At Piatt Sotheby's International Realty, we believe that every home is art, and every home deserves its story to be told. This is especially true here in the Pittsburgh region, where we have a wealth of historical and architecturally significant homes throughout this entire area.
We are really excited to announce the launch of our new Architecture and Historic Homes division at Piatt Sotheby's International Realty. This is a specialty division designed to give architecturally and historic homes the distinctive representation and the specialized marketing strategies they deserve. The depth of this really starts with highly skilled sales professionals who have the education, the experience, and the knowledge of architecturally and historically significant homes.
Pittsburgh History and Landmarks Foundation is thrilled to be partnering with Piatt Sotheby's International Realty on this accreditation program. We feel that the depth of knowledge and information we're able to bring agents through this program will empower them to be better representatives of historic homes.
The 277-year heritage of our brand improves the perception of the value of your home. The accredited agents at Piatt Sotheby's International Realty have unparalleled access to the world's best marketing and exposure through the Sotheby's International Realty Network.
Great real estate marketing highlights the unique and essential qualities of a home. With this division, we really hope to elevate the marketing and representational skills we provide these properties.